happy? Show your teeth.
This is how you make me feel. This is how you make me feel. Oh, good, oh, great sunshine all day. This is how you make me feel. And I feel good. I'm feeling good. I woke up today with a smile on my face. Ain't gotta worry, not a care to worry. My mind on heaven in a new kind of place. Surfing the clouds now. Gonna go up, woo, in a real feel chill mood. Gonna go up, woo, oh it's all because of you. Gonna go up, woo, in a real feel chill mood. Gonna go up, woo, yeah, yeah. This is how you make me feel. This is how you make me feel.
What is that, baby? Kai.
I'm picking some grapes and put it in the water.
Oh, why?
Because maybe like water. And nice cream.
So where are we right now, Kai Kai?
This is enough.
Where are we right now?
I put it here.
Nasaan tayo? Where are we?
Where are we going?
Mami, oh. Pinot dito sa ilagay.
Hindi. Sabak yan dyan. So,
Hello, Kai. Where are we?
In the mountain.
We are on the
What
top
are you
of the
eating?
mountain.
what's this?
Ay, ngayon pa lang kami magluluto. Hungry na ang Kai Kai.
Put it here.
No, that's not. We're going to use this for the food.
Good job. More. More, baby. Careful, ah.
Some grapes.
Uy, nalagyan daw niya ng grapes.
No, don't put grapes.
Repolyo lang at yung carrots, Kai. Yun na.
Plato. Kaya yan. Tingnan mo sa akin yung ganyan. Tapos, pamping itong malayo. Ito sa gilid-gilid.
Lot of mushrooms.
Ito ba? We're here.
We're here at the mountains. Look
Asa
at
the
the...
mountain? Madali mo na.
Oh, wait ka nga dyan.
I want to put some carrots.
Galit na galit si daddy ni kay. Ang kulit oh.
I
Kasi
want
gusto
it.
makiluto.
I want it.
Hindi mo nga kaya. Oh, you press it. Hindi mo nga kaya eh.
Ang kulit oh.
Hindi mo
Talaga,
kaya mag-press it.
kulit.
Cannot.
I know.
Gusto ata maging chef.
Cannot. Share not.
Daddy. Ang lamig, grabe. Ito, mountain.
Mami, kain na mami. Don't touch the ano, niluto. Sunog talaga ang kamay mo niyan. Sabi ko sa'yo, sige. So may TV kami sa loob. Going, baby. We're going to the where?
Here, here, here. Let's go. Come on, Daddy. What? Good, Mommy. What? Let's go at the house. Also a people. Just sit down here.
I sit down there. Go sit down.
Wait, the water can't tell.
Yes.
It'll be high.
I'll take picture.
Look at the bunga kay oh.
Wow.
Dami, punong-puno. What is that, kay? Look oh. Papaya tree. Dami yun po.
Ay, smile mo na kay mama.
Okay, open it. You open it this way. I know, yung front door. Ayun oh. Open the door. Cannot, yun. Okay, and then you close it. Bye bye.
Oo, ayun o. Telephone. Go. Grab the. Get it.
Say hello.
Sino tatawagan mo? Sino tatawagan mo? Call mo, dali.
Sus.
Call mo again. Hello, sabi mo hello.
Kate, maki-excuse ka ha, Kate. Kate, excuse ka pag namaan.
Ay, yung mix this ah.
Huwag na't mapaso ang bata. Huwag mo lang ilapat yung kamay mo dyan sa kawali. Ay, sana. Sa lutuan. What are you cooking, baby?
What's that? Rice and pork with half.
Say hi.
Ay, yan lang oh. Wala na oh.
What happened? Ha? Are you strong?
Yan, laro. Takbo pa more.
Eh talaga. Dala ng paglaki yung kay ha.
Oh,
Smile.
let's go na. Kung magka-cry ka, uwi na tayo. Uwi na tayo?
Where? Okay, you go, you go. Slowly, kay ha. Look at your way.
Here, Kay, here.
You want to feed? Run.
Grabe naman sila nitong suga. Here, dito. Go. Lapit mo. Lapit
Ayan na.
mo. Hindi ka naman na makita.